Y'all see? I'm sure y'all can see, man. Man, what up with y'all folk, man? Know what I'm saying, man? It's your dog, B-Lo Nation, man. We back up in here, man, with another one of them things, man. It's early in the morning, man. Y'all know I really don't like getting up early in the morning, man, but I'm up. Gotta go do this thing, man. And it's bothering me because I just don't want to. But yeah, man. Before we talk about anything, man, before anything gets started, man, y'all know the lingo, man. Go ahead, like, comment, consider subscribing, man. If you're already here watching it, man, you might well go ahead and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna cost you nothing. Hit that notification bell, man, so you can be notified every time I drop, man. Come around that corner a little fast, you run them over. Yeah, man, headed to the workhouse, man. I got something to show y'all, man. I don't know if they seen the video or what, man, but I got something to show y'all, man. Run up in this joint. Get y'all some footage today, man. I really been man, I got a whole bunch of footage, man, in my camera that I ain't posted yet. I don't know what my problem is, man. I gotta get on it, man. So if y'all have seen, well, by the time y'all see this video, more than likely that footage ain't gonna be in my camera no more. So if y'all have seen before this video a whole bunch of uploads, that's why. I'm trying to get them out. I'm trying to clear my cameras out. Trying to clear my memory cards out. Yeah, man, the merch and all that good stuff, man, is still on sale, man. Still on the site. Well, I ain't gonna say on sale, it's still for sale, man. Still on the site, man. And I'm supposed to be having a hat order coming in soon, if it ain't already in by the time this video drop. Yeah. So, man, let me get up to this workhouse, man. Let me get on up here and show y'all what I gotta show y'all, man. Yes, sir. Yo, man, we back, man. Back. Told y'all I had to show y'all something, man. Y'all can see, man. Got a little leather on my back there. Well, it's vinyl. It's clearly vinyl. But yeah, man, they got me in another truck, man. A new thing, man. I don't know what year it is. Really ain't even know it. But yeah, got me in something, man. Y'all see, hey, look. Y'all usually when I be hitting them bumps, man, it be sound like the truck finna fall apart, man. This thing here smooth. Ain't smooth here, man. Camera ain't even jumping around that much. Let me catch this light, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, man. So like I was saying, man, they done put your boy on something else, man. So I got to give y'all the tour, man. I got to give y'all the tour of this thing. You know what I'm saying? Since this gonna be this the truck I've been assigned, so yeah, man, we're gonna talk about it, explore, since it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, where I'm gonna be at for a little while. Well, I ain't gonna say a little while, but this is where I'm gonna be at while I'm here, so hopefully this one is as good as the last one, man. As far as not going in the shop all the time and all this right here, man. That last truck I had, it didn't like being in the shop. It liked to be used for what it's supposed to be used for, just getting the job done. Good old Jeep. I like them fender flares. Baby said she don't like them. I like them though. Rough country lift on that thing. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. That old lift. Also, man, speaking of baby, man, y'all go ahead, man. If it ain't too much, man, If it ain't too much, man, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my family channel, man. Life of Ash and B, man. Life of Ash, the letter N, the letter B, man. Go ahead, man. Let's get that channel up to 1,000, man. Y'all got this one to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and get that channel to 1,000, man. I just post over there. I'm about to post over there today. Well, the day of me making this video, I'm about to post over there. And yeah, man, we got a whole bunch of stuff coming up, man. As far as, man, with the house, man, trips, we got trips planned. Man, we got a lot of stuff planned for y'all, man, over there on the family channel, man, that y'all not gonna be able to see over here, man. So yeah, man, y'all do that for me. Well, I'm finna run up to this run to this stop right quick, run this paperwork in here, and I'm gonna come back, man, and show y'all what we got, man, as far as the truck nation. Yeah, so let me get that done right quick. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get a tour of this truck, man. This is but I don't even know what year it is, to be for real. Let me see if I can find what year it is. It's a 2017 T680. My other truck was a T660. So this one, 2017 T680. You know what I'm saying? It's whoever had it, they kept it, I guess, pretty good or whatever. It got some little stuff on it that needs to be cleaned up, like this. Get some glue gun, get that off. Somebody tried to stick some Velcro over there. It got 520,000 miles. Of course, it got this in it, which I don't use that. I just have to log in, but that don't determine my time or whatever. But yeah. Man, got, you know what I'm saying, all your compartments. Got a compartment up here, got something for the CB. I just ain't put my CB in yet. I really don't even use them. Man, I got good LED lighting up there, man. I think them LEDs. Like soft touch. Turn the light on back here. Yeah, it's LED light. It's like a whole man cave back here, man. I gotta clean all this up, wipe it down. But yeah, man, it came with a fridge, little compartment, got a closet, some shelf up there, shelf here. This right here, man, you know, they got the TV mount. You got the inverter plugs. Got your desk. This right here where I be sitting at most of the time since I've been in here, sitting back here with desk, man, with my computer. Editing or whatever I need to do, watching videos or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I've been sitting right here. Got some more shelves down there. I think this one up here is for like a microwave or something, because it got the strap up here. Got the strap right there with another inverter plug and the cigarette lighter. You got plenty of cigarette lighters around here. You got one right there, one right there, one right here on the front right here, one on the side. Then you got all your stuff over here. Let me see. Is that another one? No, that's it. You got all your stuff over here. You know what I'm saying? That's to turn your inverter on. That's for your heat. That's your fridge right there. Show you your climate control. Got another cigarette lighter right there. This to lock and unlock the doors. This right here is the what is this? I don't even know what this is right here. I don't even know what this is. Let me see. Oh, this is for under the bed, under the bunk. But yeah, man, got the soft touch lights. Pretty bright. Yeah. So once I wipe everything down, man, it'll be all good. Got my boots in here, man. But yeah, man, overall it's a pretty clean truck. You know what I'm saying? It'll accommodate me until, you know, until I get about this thing. Yeah, so yeah, man, I just like I said, man, I just don't treat me no any kind of way, man. That's all I was saying. So, man, we good with that. I'm finna throw. I can do that with the cigarette lighter though. I ain't gonna flick. I need to charge one of my batteries though. But yeah, second put that cigarette lighter though. But yeah, man. Yeah, I want to show y'all that, man. But yeah, we gonna get us a little footage today, man. We finna ride. I might set the GoPro up, see what's what with that, and yeah. Matter of fact, I'm finna get in here and edit right now, man, because I gotta upload these videos. I got to post some videos, man. So let me go ahead and get in here and edit a little bit while I'm sitting here. And then, man, when I pull off, or whenever I, you know what I'm saying, see something interesting, man, we're gonna pick this camera back up, or we're gonna mount the GoPro or whatever, man. We're gonna ride. So yeah, hit y'all in a minute, man. Yeah, y'all, we back, man. Behind this truck, y'all. This boy trailer going down the road sideways. Us here in the trucking industry, we call that dog leg. Now, come on. So, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see that, man. That's always funny to me how they be doing it. It's a container anyway, though. It ain't no like trailer. See what's going on. Y'all out there to see it. Yeah, I'll tell you sideways. Guess I gotta get a little closer. You riding it, bro. You gotta know that. Must be empty. I'ma catch him, y'all hold your horses. Can't run from me. You probably got an orange seatbelt in that truck. I know you can't run from me. Come here. I know y'all can see that. You about to get over, I'm gonna get over too. Yeah, he going down the road some good and sideways. Get that trailer back on top of that truck, driver. That's funny. But yeah, man. Headed back to the yard again. That's on. Kicking up a lot of dust down here. Yeah, man. Headed back to the yard. I was 12, 14. Yeah, I got a lot more to do. I'm sure of it. I had seen I think it was a ghost. I seen a ghost the other day, but I ain't really had time to pick the camera up. White one. I'm clean. I ain't really had time to pick the camera up though, so I ain't even worried about it. Can y'all see it good now? I'm sure y'all can see it good at first, but yeah, he dragging that thing to the right now. Come on. Dragging it to the right. Had to get that thing lined up there. Alright, you little scat pack. Don't you be no damn fool. I don't know if you seen my video or not, but yeah, speed bump. Trying to look in the mirror and see if my trailer's straight.